You must resolve never to be poor, for poverty is a great enemy to human happiness. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money online very fast as a Nigerian. Stick to the end of this video and you will never regret it. Before we begin, I want you to do this for me now. Number one is Talent Desire. Talent Desire is a company that pays you to type. So if you are good and you love working with your computer at the comfort of your home, then Talent Desire is the best option for you. So sign up with Talent Desire and start working now. They have work for both beginners and the expert. So if you're a beginner, you don't need to worry. If you're an expert, great for you. So anybody can work with Talent Desire. Just typing. So type and get paid. Number two, proofreading. Have you ever asked yourself, how do authors get their books reviewed or other documents reviewed? Now, this is how it works. You can actually read and get paid. All you need to do is to sign up with those sites and companies that are ready to pay for you to read. You can actually sign up with PaperThrough, Guru.com, Fiverr, Upwork, and many more. So sign up with any of these sites and start work now. You will be paid to read and review some document. You read and detect errors. Your main job is to detect the errors. So if you are good in reading between the lines to detect the least error in any write-up, then this is the best opportunity for you. This is the best option for you. You carefully read and examine the write-ups, detect the errors, the grammatical structures, and you are paid. Number three, YANDEX TOLOKA. YANDEX TOLOKA gives you the opportunity to make money online right from the comfort of your home. They have three options. Number one, you can decide to take survey questions and make money. Two, you may be offered to classify product and services. Number three is moderation. You may be asked to moderate how people comment, whether they are following the right order. Number four is translators. If you can speak many languages and write, then this is another option, another great opportunity for you. All you need to do is to sign up with GENGO or UNBABEL and start work. These two companies can offer you great options to translate the language you can and make money. Number five is YSENSE. YSENSE is a great company that pay very well and they hire people worldwide. Wherever you are, wherever you come from, you can actually work with YSENSE and they pay very well. All you need to do is to register with them, update your information and create your profile, and then you are good to go.